Hi, I'm here to talk about the importance of bees and how they are gardeners of nature and foragers for us, for all human beings actually. Without bees, Einstein said that the earth can last only up to 4 years, and after that, we are all gone. What do bees do basically? And there are thousands and thousands of kinds of bees. If you look at India, if you look at the Nilgiris, we have 5 different kinds of bees: the Apis dorsata, Apis cerana, Apis florea, the tamer, um, and the stingless. Now, each of these bees, what they perform is this intricate ecological function called pollination. More than the job of producing honey and some beeswax, which is useful to human beings and it's their food. So, what do? The bees go and collect nectar and pollen from flower sources, from pollen sources, from nectar sources. With that, through their wax glands and through their metabolism that they have, they produce honey. And this honey is stored in their bee cells, in their bee combs, and that's their food. And some of it is excess, which human beings have learned over time to collect it. But more than the honey and beeswax story is the pollen story that should be very important for the whole world, especially in a climate change world today, where pollinators are dying rapidly because we are losing ecology in an alarming pace. So without pollination, 75% of our food and forest products would not be viable. There wouldn't be any fruit setting, nothing, if bees didn't do that work. In areas of the Himalayas where we have seen, and also in the Nilgiris with coffee and apple in the Himalayas, that a farmer can get up to 25 to 30% more crop and better fruit setting, better seed setting because of bee pollination and bee services. And that's free for you. So bees are an absolutely crucial insect in our life. It's a small insect. Lifespan of a bee is not so much. A queen bee lives for about 3 years, a worker 7-8 months, a drone a little bit more. But in that lifespan, they perform amazing tasks day and night. The giant rock bee, for example, Apis dorsata, with what we've been working for such a long time with the honey collectors. They come to forage during moonlight at night. So they are busy as bees round the clock. Without bees, we wouldn't be anywhere. Today, your garden, your nature, your forests, your plants, your blooms, everything which wildlife and human beings are depend on, it's that small insect that does the work which keeps the world alive and ticks everything around.